In this channel, we'll practice 3 addition and 3 subtraction questions that most students should know by the end of grade 5. I understand that math can be challenging to tackle alone. This channel is here to support and assist you or your child in learning math. What you'll need: a pencil, download our video worksheet, link in the comments, or use your own piece of paper, and time to use your brain, so no calculators are allowed. Here's a look at 3 addition questions we're going to solve. Feel free to pause and solve for the question on your own first, or watch Ms. John guide you through the solutions. Feel free to use the timestamp below to go directly to the answer key. Question number 1, 8 plus 20. We're going to complete this question by first adding up the numbers in the right column and then adding up the numbers in the left column. So first, let's start with the ones column. Let's place the arrow beside the 8, and we're going to place 8 dots beside this arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then let's place another arrow by the 0. We're going to place 0 dots beside the arrow, meaning we're not going to draw any dots. So now let's add up all the dots that we have to represent 8 plus 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer of 8 plus 0 equals 8. So now let's add up the numbers in the left column, also known as the tens column. So as you can see, it's really 0 plus 2. So because nothing's above the 2, we're just going to bring that 2 right down to the answer section of the tens column. So the answer for 8 plus 20 is 28. Again, the answer for 8 plus 20 is 28. Question number 2, 23 plus 24. So we're going to start by adding the numbers in the ones column, and then we're going to add the numbers in the tens column. So let's start with 3 plus 4. By the first arrow, we're going to draw 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. By the second arrow, we're going to draw 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's time to count the total number of dots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer for 3 plus 4 equals 7. Now it's time to add up the numbers in the tens column. So 2 plus 2. At the first arrow, we're going to place 2 dots. 1, 2. At the second arrow, we're going to place 2 dots. 1, 2. Now it's time to add up the total number of dots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Therefore, 23 plus 24 equals 47. Again, 23 plus 24 equals 47. Question number 3, 35 plus 23. So we're going to add up the numbers in the ones column and then the numbers in the tens column. So we're going to start with 5 plus 3. So by the first arrow, we're going to place 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By the second arrow, we're going to place 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to add up and count the total number of dots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Now it's time to add up the numbers in the tens column. So 3 plus 2. By the first arrow representing 3, we're going to add 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. By the second arrow representing the 2, we're going to add 2 dots. 1, 2. Now it's time to add up the total number of dots we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Therefore, 35 plus 23 equals 58. Again, 35 plus 23 equals 58. Here's the answer key. If you got an answer wrong, use the timestamp to go back and check your solution. Here's a look at 3 subtraction questions we're going to solve. Feel free to pause and solve the question on your own first, or watch Ms. John guide you through the solutions. Feel free to use the timestamp below to go directly to the answer key. Question number 1, 11 minus 7. On top of the first box, we're going to write the number 11. Then we're going to place 11 dots in the first box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. On top of the garbage bags, we're going to write the number 7. When subtracting, we're going to take away. So we're going to throw away 7 dots from the first box into the garbage bag to represent 11 minus 7. 7 dots have been thrown away. In order to know what 11 minus 7 equals, we must now count how many dots are left over after we threw away 7 dots. Let's move the remaining amount of dots over to the second box. Now let's count how many dots are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Again, 11 minus 7 equals 4. Question number 2, 13 minus 8. We'll complete this question by subtracting 13 minus 8. By the arrow, let's place 13 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. When subtracting, we're going to take away. So now we're going to throw away 8 dots into the garbage bin. So let's place 8 of these dots into the garbage bin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's time to add up the total number of dots remaining. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because there's 5 dots remaining, that means 13 minus 8 equals 5. Again, the answer for 13 minus 8 equals 5. Now we're going to do this question again, but we're going to do it a little different. Question number 2 again. 13 minus 8. So we're going to do 2 methods, but for this question, we're going to do method number 1, and that is counting up. Do not count for the 8, so we're going to start from 9 and go upwards to 13. There's 2 main ways to complete subtraction questions. You could either count upwards or count downward. When solving for the answer in this question, we'll use method number 1, counting upwards. We're going to go again from 9 to 13. We're going to say the number 8, but we're not going to draw a dot for it. So let's begin. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we're going to count how many dots we just drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 13 minus 8 equals 5. Again, 13 minus 8 equals 5. Question number 3, 16 minus 9. So again, there's 2 main ways to solve for the answer. You could either count upwards or count downwards. In this question, we're going to solve using method number 2, counting downwards. When counting downwards, we say the number 16. We don't actually draw a dot representing number 16. And we'll do 15 onwards to 9. So let's begin. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Now it's time to count the total number of dots we drew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. Again, 16 minus 9 equals 7. Here's the answer key. If you got an answer wrong, use a timestamp to go back and check your solution. Good job at taking ownership over your education. You did it! See you in the next video.